Okay children, in the last class we saw the standing line. Am I right? Top to bottom standing line. See here. What pattern we had seen last class? Top to bottom standing line. Top to bottom standing line. Today we are going to see the sleeping line. We are going to see the sleeping line. So everybody will sleep at night, Usually all people will sleeping. Am I right? That is sleeping posture is like a sleeping line. Everybody we are lying down, So we are lying, baby. So we are sleeping posture, That is like a sleeping line. See here. Left to right. Sleeping line. Everybody see. This is a sleeping line. All of you say sleeping line. How to start the sleeping line? You have to start from the left side. See. Left to right sleeping line. You have to start from the left side only. Okay kids? Left to right sleeping line. Left to right sleeping line. Left to right sleeping line. Okay kids? What is this line? What is this line? Top to bottom standing line. Top to bottom, baby. So people usually we are standing position, So now I am standing, see here. See, ma'am, I am standing. I am standing line. Everybody, already we saw in the nursery class, baby. Ma'am told top to bottom standing line. I am like standing like a standing line. See, top to bottom standing line. Now I am in a standing line position. See everybody. Yes. So likewise our standing line, see, top to bottom standing line. Top to bottom standing line. So sleeping line is like a, everybody sleeping, baby. That posture is like a sleeping line. Sleeping line. See, left to right sleeping line. Left to right sleeping line. Everybody see here. This puppet is like a standing line. See this puppet everybody. It's like a standing line. Now this puppet is going to be like a sleeping line. Come on. Yeah, see here. Now this puppet is like a sleeping line. See, it's lying down, This puppet is lying down, baby. This is a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. Left to right sleeping line. See here. Left to right sleeping line. Okay kids. Next shall we? This is standing line. This is standing line. This is sleeping line. See here. This is sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Okay kids, have you understood part? Come on, say what is this line? What is this line? Yes, this is a standing line. I hope everyone has done that standing line activity. Okay kids, this is a standing line. Top to bottom, standing line. See, next, ma'am, I am going to teach the sleeping line. I am going to teach the sleeping line. See, where you have to put the sleeping line. See, hereafter you have to follow the 4 lines note, baby. In your bag, we kept a 4 lines, 4 lines note, Baby, hereafter you should use the 4 lines note. Okay, baby, in your bag, we kept 2 4 lines note. So one note is for your language note. Okay. Here today onwards, everybody, you should take your 4 lines note and you start to write the, first you finish it there. Already you finished standing line, So you just leave the one page and you move on to next page. You have to do the sleeping line. Okay baby. Now when you free time, so whenever you feel free time, that time you can do the standing line. Okay. Today homework is sleeping line. You have to do the second page. Okay kids, now let me teach how to do the sleeping line. See here, you have to do the sleeping line. So totally 4 lines in your note, you know. See, red line, blue line, again third one is blue line, again red line. There are 4 lines in a language note. Am I right? Yes. You have to do the sleeping line in the second blue line. You have to start in the second blue line. See, ma'am, how I am doing? Left to right. See here? Left to right, sleeping line. You have to do like this. See? Left to right, sleeping line. Okay, kids? In the third line, see? 1, 2, 3. Second blue line. From the red line to third line. See? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Have you all understood? See? Left to right. See? Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. See? Left to right, sleeping line. In the third line only you should start the sleeping line. Okay kids? See? Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. Okay kids? This is your today's language homework. So in this page, everybody you have to divide it into 3 columns. Okay baby? See, you have to divide it into or else 4 columns. See, you have to divide it into 4 columns. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to divide it into 4 columns. You have to do the sleeping line. In each line, you have to do the sleeping line. Now, everybody you are in junior KG. You are not a nursery group. Now, everybody think of yourself. You are a little bit big kids. Okay. So, you don't tell your mummy, I cannot write. You are a big kids now. Okay. You have to write in each line, sleeping line. Left to right, sleeping line. You have to write it. Okay, baby. That sentence only, that lines only, tell your mummy to mark in your note. Okay, the heading also, sleeping line. Okay, that heading you have to read, sleeping line. Here standing line means you tell your mummy to write sleeping line. That sleeping line sentence you should read. You should read the word, sleeping line. Next, standing line. You have to read. Okay, baby? Can you understand? Okay? Yes, this is your language homework today. You after finishing, you send it to me in WhatsApp.